Yo, what's up YouTube? Chief Gomez here, Emmanuel. It's been a while since I made a video. I know I've been saying I'm going to make videos, but life has been getting in the way, work and remodeling my house and painting. But I want to get my bike done, so I figured I'd make a quick video. Yeah, here we go. So the last thing I did was I stripped the gas tank and had to get it prepped for priming. Well, here's the tank there. It is primed, it's ready to be painted. I just got to get the paint the right color scheme. If anybody knows what the color code for the KZ1000p is, please leave me a message below. Yeah, I got to get that done. Also, I've been trying to get this thing to run again. I did take the carbons back off, cleaned them out. You see here, I mounted them back. It won't stay running. It starts, but it won't stay running. I've got to take it off and I guess really give it a deep cleaning. Another thing is, this is a small shop. It's a small shop, big man. 6'5" in a small shop. But hey, it works. There, give you a view of it. Not bad. I'll give you an outside view so you can see what it looks like. I don't know why I keep looking over here, but it's over here. But yeah, and I'll continue with the video. So a quick tour of my shop. Here it is. All my tools there. A few things here. Compressor, my propane fryer, my car charger or shop charger. Also have my manual here for the KZ. Got a few things here. Old calculator. This is old. Got this back in, I think, middle school. I have no idea. Got some other things, pipe tobacco pipes, and more pipe tobacco. I do like a pipe every now, smoke pipe tobacco every now and then. Anyways, continue my little shop tour. My airsoft rifle that I bought in Sacramento. My other part of the shop, my table saw, Iron Man mask I was helping my son make, and it came out okay. It's not that easy, but it came out right. My swords and my other stuff. And my fishing gear. I love fishing. I'm a fishing holic. Haven't been lately, but I do love fishing. And yeah. So anyways, here's the bike. KZ1000p. I know I showed it before, but this is pretty much the way it's been for a little while. Haven't really messed with it. I did ride it last year back in, I want to say June. I had it running, rode it around the neighborhood. But if anybody knows where I can find the radio box for this, that'd be great. And perhaps the bullhorn that was on the bottom. I don't want it actually working, but I would like it to, you know, resemble the Chips bike. And as you can see, my little makeshift auxiliary tank with a little filter from AutoZone I put on it to filter the fuel going in. And yeah, and it will turn over. It does turn over, turn on. But it won't start, it's loud. But yeah, just a quick video. I wanted to give an update. I am working on getting the bike, putting it back together. I need to get the petcock for the fuel tank. I need to get the bolts for it, fix the fairings on the front of it. And minor thing is take the car back off and clean it and get it running again like I had it last year. It was running. And so eventually I will. I'm hoping within a couple of months. That's what I'm hoping for, because I want to ride it. Alright guys, that's the video. The bike I do want to get though is a KLR. I'm watching all these guys ride KLRs and I'm jealous. I want to get one. That is going to be my next bike. I want to get a KLR so I can do some adventure riding. Hopefully soon this year, maybe towards the end of the year, but I am definitely getting one. I hope everyone has a great day. Leave a comment. Chief out.